So hello guys, welcome back to another video of Code Diaries. So as we know that we were doing the Flipkart clone, so let's go live. So we are going to go live. So in our last video we finished up to this, right? Now what we are going to do is let's search for Flipkart. So in this video we are going to make this part, right? This part, these three divs of the items, right? So let me open my code pen, epic pen. It takes some of, yeah, so it has opened. So today we are going to make these parts, only this part. I'm not going to make so many of these. I'm going to make only 3 of them. I have already downloaded the images. I just need to build this. Where is my pen? I just need to build this part, one div, this div. Then after this I will build this small div components. Okay, this parts small. I think I have downloaded 6 images for each component, right? So let's move to our code. So at first we are going to create a div. Okay, let's create a div. This is a div, right? So let's give it an id. No, let's give it a class name. Why class name? Because I want 3 of like this divs, right? So I'm giving it a class name. Just not the class name. What can I do is I can make a separate div here. I can make a separate div, parent div like this. Okay, this I can do. Inside this I can make 3 child divs like this. 3 child div. One more will be there. I don't have space. Inside that these cards will be there, the small cards. Okay, so what should we do? We should at first create our parent div. And then parent div, and the height can be, how much can be the height? Let the height be at least 50 vh for now. Okay, height is 50 vh. I think the height, it's not that much as I want. Let it be 70 vh. Yeah, that's great. And I want some padding at the margin at the top. Let the margin be at least 20 px. Yeah, it's good. Margin is 20 px, right? I'm giving the height as 100 vh only. It will be great, I guess. Yeah, now it's looking good. I don't think 100 vh will be less. What is the problem? I'm not getting 100 vh. What is the problem? I think it's some problem with the main. Let me figure it out, right? So what can I do is, let me give the main, because I need more main, right? Let me give the main as where it went. Let me give the where is the main? Let me give the main as 200 vh. That will look better, I guess, because I need more main. Yeah, now I am getting as fully 100%, 100 pH, but this got extended because I gave the height of the nav bar in percentage, right? So what I need to do is I need to adjust the height of the nav bar. So what I should do is, let me give it, sorry, not the nav bar, I need to adjust the what was its name, I have to adjust the trending items. What are the trending items? Height. Let me give it the height of 7%. Control S. Now it looks good. And about the banner, let me give it as around 13%. Yeah, now it looks great, right? It looks great. Now I need to have some divs in it, right? What should be the divs? So let me have some divs in it. So I'm going to have some divs in it. I will be having 3 divs inside that, right? One is 3 divs. So let me have 3 divs like this. Then I'm going to give it an ID. Not ID, actually class, because I need the same kinds of property in all the 3 divs, right? What should be the class? Let the class be cards parent. I think this suits this. Cards parent. Let me copy the card. Sorry, class. What is happening? Control C, Control V. Sorry, mistake, I pressed Control V, Control C only. So Control C, again Control V, Control V. Yeah. So now we have 3 different parent cards parent. What are the cards parent? The cards parents are actually this part, this white part. This part is the card parent. Okay, we are going to make 3 such card parents. So let's make that. Let me give a class name of Control C. What we should do with the class name? Should start with a dot, right? Then just add the width, which should be 100% because we have already taken that width through our item parent, right? So the width of the child divs should be like this, inside this, right? Around this only. This should be the child divs, like this, right? So we should take same width as the parent, right? So the width should be 100% and height, let it be 30%, or you can say 30 VH if you don't want to decrease the height, constant height you want. And what about the background color is white, definitely. I don't know whether it is white color or not. Yeah, we got. Now you can be asking, there should be 3 divs, right? Because I have given 3 divs of the same class name, right? So there should be 3. Actually there are 3 divs only, but the problem is there doesn't have any gap in the middle, so we have to provide the gaps in the middle, right? What should be the gaps? There should be some gaps, right? So let's do one thing. Let's give them a margin bottom. So let's give them the margin bottom. Margin bottom can be 10px. So 10px, I think it's less. Let me give them a margin bottom of 20px. 20px will be more. 15px. Now they are looking good. Or should I give 20px only? Let us give 20px only. It will look good. Now it's looking good, right? It's looking actually good. So what we should do is, and I want the edges are not rounded, so let the edges be same. I thought I should give the edges as a bit rounded. The edges are not rounded in the main website, so we also don't want the edges to be rounded. Let me remove the background color. No, let's skip it. If we need that, we have to give it again, so let's skip it. Inside this divs, what should I do? I should make this cards, right? Where it went? Where is the pen? I should make this is actually, I want the pencil. I want to, sorry, not this. I want to make, at first I should give the heading. I forgot about the heading. So at first I should give the heading, then I should provide the cards, right? Inside this. So at first what should I do? I should give a heading to this. Let's give a heading to all of them. Head tag H, I think 3 will be good. So Control C, Control V. Why always I'm pressing again? Control V. So let me once check what are the images I have downloaded. I have forgotten actually. I think in the items I have done. So I have, at first I am going to keep, let me check in the files, it will be better, I guess. In Flipkart clone, images, items. So at first, what are the things? Let me keep the electronics at first, or the best items, I guess. What were the best items? Best electronics are there. So electronics, I think I haven't downloaded much. Let me see. Electronic, I have a keyboard, I have a camera, I have a monitor, I have the speaker. Treadmill, I think it's not the part of the electronics. It's, I think, in the part of the fitness. Yeah, other part. So I have how many things? I have a camera, I have a keyboard, I have a monitor, I have a speaker, and that's all. I think I have downloaded 4. Okay, let's at first put the 4 only. If you want more, we can download later, right? So at first I'm going to keep the heading as best electronics. Yes, best electronics, we got it. Then what should we do? We have to take, have I downloaded the font? I didn't remember that. I think, yeah, I have downloaded, but where have I used? I am not getting where have I used. Have I used anywhere? Yeah, I have used. Yeah. So And next will be, I think, what was the next topic? This one. Let me, you can't copy this, but I will copy this. Inspect. I don't want to write, so I want to copy. Yeah, I got. So second is Control V. I got. It's so easy, right? And third one is, I think it will be wait a minute, it's done. No, it shouldn't. Next, I should be keeping best clothes, best or trending fashion. I think that's good, I guess. So let me save it and see. It's good. Now I'm going to style them. So inside the card parent, whatever the headings are there, I want to style them. So inside the card parent, whatever the H3s are there, I want to style them. So I am going to use font family as this one at first. Font family as Control V, this one only. So we got a good font family. Now I want to give them a bit of margin and padding. And first, margin left, at least I want 10 px from left and 10 px from top. Margin top as 10 px. Now I'm not getting from top, so what should I do? I'm not getting from top, so I can do that as padding top as 10 px. I think this will be done. Still I'm not getting. Why? What's the problem? Is 10 px? Oh, sorry, I have done it in the wrong place. Control X. Here I have to do. Yeah, now I've got. I think top 10 px is a bit more, so let it be top 7 px. 5 px. How much was there? Top. No, top is good. But still I am not convinced. Let it be 3 px. Are they adjusting? I don't think so. Padding top is 3 px. Let it be 5 px. It will be more. Again they are freezed. I don't know why they're freezing. Sometimes it happens, guys. What to do? So just close this, and then just go live. Or 10 was good. Oh, again I am doing in the wrong place. Fuck. No, I was doing the right place only. Let's do it as 10%. Let's see what happens. Am I doing it in wrong place? But I shouldn't. item parent, cart parent. Okay, cart parent, sorry. I was really doing the wrong place. It should be here. Sorry guys. It's 10px. I was doing the wrong place again. So let it be 5px. Okay, it's 5px. Let it be 5%. I think that will be more better, much better. Let it be 2%. But I hate this thing because this part is freezing. I don't know why it's freezing, but it's freezing every time. Okay, let's give it as padding top as 10px only. That's good. I think it actually matches, not completely. Let's give it as 2%. To VH. Some problem is happening, guys. I think the problem is with the height. No, height shouldn't be a problem. Margin top. So okay, 5px is good, I guess. So 5px is good. So finally top I have given is 5px. So it's great. Problem was going on. So now I'm going to create the cards. For cards, what I should do is I'm going to make another div inside this. Inside each div, not this one, sorry, this one's. So cards I should create in divs. Control C, Control C, Control V, and Control V. So Control S, and each card divs class should be same. Card container, this should be same. Now you may be asking why I am making so many of divs. Later you will get to know why I am making this div also. Just stay with me and continue with this project. You will get to know everything. So cart container, Control C, Control V, cart container. What should I do with this is I should make the width to be 95% and height to be as what should be the height, let it be 90%, and background color I should give a background color can be blue for now, for the time being. But it's covering, right? I don't want it covering. So height I have to decrease. I can't keep it as 90, I can keep it as 70%. Now it's great. But the thing is, I have to bring them in the middle. So what should I do is, I should let me give it a height, a width of 100% only. The cards I will be adjusting. Yeah, good. The cards I will be adjusting, don't worry. The card, inside this I have to make the cards. I think I have to make I have to download more images for the electronics part if I need so, because I was planning to make each container of 6 cards. So let's do it. Let me create the cards. Div id, not id, let it be class as card. At first let me make 4 cards only, so that let me check whether it occupies the whole space or not, right? So 1 2 3 4. So I have created 4 cards. Control C, Control V and Control V. Now let's check. I'm going to make this as flex, display flex, because I want the cards side by side in the horizontal way, right? So I'm going to make card. Oh yeah, card is a class, right? So it will start with a dot. Cards width I should take as let it take a 20%, and height can be 100%. Height can be 100%. Border. Oh, I'm not given the semicolon, that's why it's not coming. Border can be 2px solid black for now. Oh, it's good. It's good. Now what I should do is, I should make this the container as justify content center and align items. Align items I don't need, but still as center. So it will come at center. No, 4 are enough, I guess. And then just give them a gap of 5px, I think. It will be enough. No, it's not. At least 10px. Yeah, it's enough. It's good. But the thing is, it has become a rectangle, but means horizontal rectangle, but I want a vertical rectangle. That's why I was thinking to make 6 of them instead of 4. So let me make it as 10%. I think that will make it 15%. Yeah, that's good. I think I can adjust 2 more. Let's find out. Can we adjust? I think we can. Yeah, it has adjusted, right? Now what should we do is, we should put the image along with the name and price, right? So what should we do? We should at first put the images. So I'm going to fast forward this part because I've already discussed that how to put the images, right? So let's put the images. ID, sorry, not ID, img src alt. Okay, yes, I'm going to give the alt also. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, and Control V, because all we need are images, right? This part is a bit boring, I know, because continuously putting so much of images. When we in JavaScript, when we will be learning JavaScript, we don't have to do so much of things. But for now, as we are new to this, so we need to put images manually in every divs, right? This is a bit really annoying, frustrating, I know, because when I was a beginner, I also had done this. Alt, why alt is coming like this? Alt shouldn't be like this. Alt should be like this. Alt should always be like this, because we have to write that alternate thing. Alt is always an alternate text if the image is not displayed. What to say? A substitute information of the images if it is not present. What happened? Oh, sorry, mid div is missing, that's why the problem is occurred. So Control V, Alt, let me copy this part, Control C, Control C, and Control V. What happened? Okay. Control V, Control V. Now we just have to put the images inside this, and images may be very big, so let me open this. So we are going to put at first the images of the electronics. What are the electronics? I think it's the camera, keyboard, monitor, and speaker. So I'm going to cut this part because there are many things. Let me just put this part, then when I will be putting the names that I will be showing, either I will be cutting this or fast forwarding this. Just understand that. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, start. So we have finally put all the images of the best electronics in their places. Now what we should do is, we should at first resize them in order to make them look good, right? So what we should do is, we should at first resize them. So what we are going to do is, inside the card, whatever the image is, inside the card, whatever the image is, I am going to resize them as width to be 80%, height to be 70%. Let's see. It's not looking that much good. So what should I do is I'm going to reduce the width to be 60%. Sorry, 60%, not 6%. Yeah, now they are looking a bit good, but the thing is their quality has decreased because they're expanded, right? They are not in the way I wanted. Okay, what can I do is I can change the images, right? Let me do one thing. Let me change all the images and let's come back to the video. Okay, let me do that. So I'm back with my video. So as you can see, I've put all the images in their places. You can see the code as well, the HTML code. I've put all the images as well as their alts in their places. Now I just need to design them in the sense I just need to put them in the center, right? So let's put them in the center. What I should do is I can give the card as display flex and justify not justify content, flex direction as column, and align items as center. Why flex direction I have given as column? I don't know. Wait, it's not working. I don't know why. Oh, my live server is working a bit slow today. I don't know why. Yeah, now it's good. Okay, why I have given the flex direction as column? Because here I am going to include something more. And what is that? The names as well as the prices. Prices I don't think I should be including. Let me include some discounts or something else. Prices should I include? Either I will include the prices or I will include the names. Sorry, I am getting hiccups, guys. Excuse me, guys. Let me drink some water. Okay, so I'm back and let's do one thing. Let me just give the prices. Okay, I'm giving the prices, not the names. From the looks only you can understand what are the names of these. So let me just give the prices, some prices, sample prices, right? So I'm going to include the prices. After including, I will be adjusting the spaces and all. Okay, for now I'm including the prices, and this is the reason why I given the flex direction as column. Otherwise, if I wouldn't give, then the price and the images would have come horizontally side by side of each other. That's why I have given flex direction as column. So I am giving as p tag, and I'm going to include the rupee sign. I forgot what was the shortcut for the rupee sign. Let me search. Shortcut key for rupee symbol. Control plus Alt plus 4. Okay, let's give it. So Control plus Alt plus 4. Yeah, I got it. I'm going to give random prices. So camera, I'm going to give random prices. I'm going to give random. Really, guys, I'm going to give random prices. Anything I'm going to write. I'm writing same prices for all of them, because this is just a sample, right? If I will be getting space, I will be writing the names also, don't worry. I am going to write, yeah, I'm giving a sample price, that's why I can write everything, every same price, right? All much is there, so yeah, it's there. We're here almost, guys, and yeah, we have done. So I don't know why this is slow today. I really don't know. I can't figure it out. Yeah, I'm getting. Let me give some. No, it's good. What happened? This and this. What happened? Why this has come here? Okay, I have given. Which one? Let me just check the second one. First, this one is the first, and this one is the second. Second div. Okay, I gave outside of the div. That's my mistake, guys. So let me give it inside the div. Okay. I think now it's good. I know it's a bit slow. It is working a bit slow. Yeah, now it's good. Now let me give some names. Yeah, there are space, so I'm going to give the names. So names I will be giving in, I think I can give it in H6. So separately I don't have to do the bolding part. Not the 20. Best electronics, the camera. Let me give it H6 as camera. Here I can give as a H6 as monitor. Here I can give it as a keyboard. H6 as not like that. Okay, I'm not like that. H6 as keyboard. So here it's keyboard. Now the next one is, it will be, I think H6 I can write it as microphone. M will be capital, and the next will be like this. We are going to write all the names. It will be mobile, and at first let us see. And here the H6 will be trimmer. The live server is a bit so slow. Okay, so that's the case. What's happening? Actually, the thing is, I just forgot to include the by default boilerplate of star of margin and padding 0. What this does is, this actually removes all the default margin and padding of all the elements. That's why every element has its default margin and padding, right? If you don't know, just know it. Every element has its default margin and padding. By this code, this star means apply to all. Star means apply to all, and hence which means that all the default margin and paddings gets removed. So whatever the margins and paddings this all had, it got just removed. That's the case. I hope it's clear. Okay, now the thing is, let me at first finish all the things, then I'm going to style there. Let's write all the H6 parts. H6, let it be a cycle, and let it be H6 as books. Let this be as H6 as honey, and this H6 as dry fruits, this H6 as then stationery, let it be stationery, yeah, stationery, and this one let it be as toys. Okay, let it be as toys. I think that's good. That's a good part. Now what we should do is we should continue with this. Okay, let it be as H6 as sari. The next H6 can be as kurti. Then the H6 can be as lehenga. Next one can be as shirt. Then the next one can be as, no, it's not H5, it's H6, t-shirt. And later it can be as sorry, I've written at the upper part, not the upper part. It can be as what it should be, glasses. So all the names and the price tags I have written. But let's wait for a minute. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now let's design them. What should I give at first? Let me give at first some and the card, let me give some padding top, let me give it as 5px. This much will be enough. Is it? Let me give some more. Let it be as 10px. It will be more. I know it's a bit slow. Please wait, guys. Yeah, this much is enough, I guess. And the thing is, I should give some card container, some margin top as 5px, because these guys, let it be 15px, because I forgot. Yeah, now it's great. I have given margin top. Now let's style the H6. So what should I write? The card, in the card container, the H6, select the H6 and make the font size as large. It's late. This is really irritating, really, because it's getting really boring, because it's not responding properly. It has become very slow. I don't know why it is becoming slow. Live server usually doesn't become slow. It responds the most fastest way. Okay, just give some margin at the top. What I can, how much should I give? Let it be 5px. I always start with 5px. Okay, yeah, good. Now I am going to select the dot card P. Inside the card container, select the P means the price inside the cart container. So the div with the name cart, select the P. I hope it's clear. And margin top can be 3px. I don't need much here, so I think that will be enough. 3px. Right, now this part is finally over, and now we can safely remove the background color of the parent item. The first parent item, sorry, S. Yeah, that's good. It's looking good. Now the only thing left is the footer part. I will be doing in the next video. Before ending this video, I would like to show you something that I have. When I was just changing the images, I have changed few things. That is, first I have changed the height of the banner, where it went. Height of the banner, I have made it 30 VH, and I have also made the height of the parent as 145 VH, not 200 VH. Actually, it was my requirement, how I felt it suitable, how I felt it good. It should look good as I want, like the way I want. I have adjusted the widths and heights according to that. It depends on people to people. You can adjust it yourself according to your needs. You can adjust it. This was my needs, as per my convenience I have adjusted that. So you are free to do whatever you want to do with your, with your own website. You are free to do. And I want some things more, which are I want this all. With 90%. Items, class items, background color, red. Okay, let the height, I'm giving the height as 70%. Because this got adjusted when I adjusted this part. No, this white part in the beginning of the video, if you remembered, this all got smaller. I just noticed that, so I need to adjust them. Let it be 80. And let's give them some more gaps, I guess. Trending items, display flex, gap. I'm done with giving it percentages. Let it be 10%. And gaps. No, it's more. Let it be 5%. Now it's good. So many times it will happen that your codes designs maybe get changed with some adjustment with your further codes. So you you have to keep them in mind and make the changes according to that. Okay, now it is looking very good, like this only, right? It's looking very good. So just keep that in your mind, that I have to make changes if they are required. Actually, if I will be requiring any changes in my code, I will be making them. Understood? I hope you understood my point, and be doing a great job by creating your own Flipkart website. Okay, after this I will be making two videos. One is with a footer and another one would be the responsive part, making this website a responsive one. That may be a very long video, so prepare accordingly, prepare yourself to watch that and make changes according to that in your code. Okay, I hope you liked this video, you understood all the concepts. If you have any problem further, please let me know, and just keep coding, just go on moving and go on developing yourself. Thank you and goodbye.